Production Board is a scheduling, workflow and communications tool designed to provide maximum benefits with minimum effort. Here are some of the benefits you can expect while using Production Board. 1. Improved workflow. 2. Production floor visibility. 3. Improved communications. 4. A culture of accountability. 5. Reduced cycle times. 6. Increased customer satisfaction. Because Production Board works with your existing systems, there is no data entry required, and all of these benefits are realized with an average investment of only 2 minutes per job. Production Board features the power of movement. So what happens when a tile is moved in Production Board? Department cycle timers are started for each new department. Cycle times are recorded for the previous department, making it simple to identify bottlenecks in your production flow. Technicians, office staff, or even sublet vendors are notified with a text message to let them know they have a new job, keeping the next person in line on top of their game. Department and technician times and efficiencies are recorded. Preset department dates are automatically set, eliminating the need to manually enter important cycle-related information. Work in process and inventory control counts are updated to ensure optimum workflow. Latent department timers start to ensure jobs stay on track and that no job gets left behind. Customers are sent a job status update text message to keep them informed of the progress of their job. Production Board can even send a Google, Yelp, or other online review request automatically when a job is complete to generate more reviews and increase customer satisfaction. All of this happens in real time, so you always know the pulse of your business.